So here I have my chainstay that I'm gonna cut. I'm only gonna remove this part. So the first part of that is to use the scroll saw and to cut only halfway through this. So I'm gonna turn this on, go here at a 90-degree angle, and I'm only going halfway through the tube. So you can see there the cut went halfway through the tube. Now this is a really simple process. I'm going to use a utility blade and a hammer, and I'm going to place that utility blade where I want my cope to be, and I'm just going to slightly tap this with the hammer, and it's going to crack down to that cut I made earlier. So I'm going to slightly tap, just slightly. See, I'm not hitting it hard, just slightly tap down to there. Now I'm going to rotate the tube and do the same thing again, exactly where I want the cut to be. And again, just slightly tap, and that piece falls right off. And now I have my completed chainstay. You'll use this for both the seat stays and the chain stays.